It was a bright Saturday morning, and the city felt alive. Emily opened her curtains and smiled at the sunlight pouring into her small apartment. The air was warm, the sky was clear, and it felt like the perfect day to go out. Her phone buzzed.
Morning, Em. Still on for the mall today?
Of course! I need new jeans and I've been dreaming about those cinnamon rolls from the food court.
Perfect. I'll meet you by the main entrance at 11.
By 10:30, Emily had already tied her hair up in a ponytail and grabbed her small canvas bag. She looked in the mirror, shrugged at her plain shirt, and said to herself with a laugh, "Let's find something better today." Scene 1. Arrival at the mall. Emily stepped off the bus and spotted Leo waiting near the fountain at the mall entrance. "Hey, you're early."
Only by 5 minutes. I grabbed a coffee. Want one?
Tempting, but I want to save room for the cinnamon roll. The mall doors slid open as they entered. Cool air greeted them, and the hum of voices and soft background music wrapped around them.
So, clothes first or food first?
Let's hit the clothing stores. I want to try stuff on before I'm too full and sleepy. They headed toward the big clothing outlet near the escalators. Scene 2. Inside the clothing store. As they walked in, a store assistant approached them with a friendly smile.
Hi there. Can I help you with anything today?
"Thanks, I'm just looking for now."
You said that perfectly.
"I've practiced." She walked over to a rack of jeans and picked up a light blue pair. "These look nice. What do you think?"
The color's great. Are you going to try them on?
"Yeah, but let me find my size first." She checked the tag, frowned, and turned to the assistant. "Excuse me, do you have this in a smaller size?"
Sure. Let me check in the back.
While waiting, Emily picked up a striped t-shirt.
That's cute.
It would go well with the jeans, right? The assistant returned with another pair.
Here's a size smaller. The fitting rooms are over there to your left.
"Thank you. Can I take both of these to try?"
Of course.
Inside the fitting room, Emily tried on the jeans and shirt, then stepped out. "Okay, moment of truth. How do I look?"
Stylish. The jeans fit perfectly.
They feel comfortable too. She walked back into the fitting room, changed back into her old clothes, and returned the items she wasn't buying. At the cashier, she placed her chosen items on the counter.
Will that be cash or card?
"Card, please?"
Would you like a bag?
"No, thank you. I have my own." She took the receipt and smiled. "I'm happy. Let's find you something now." Scene 3. Leo's turn to shop. They headed to a men's clothing store just across the hallway.
All right. I need a new hoodie. Mine is falling apart.
He walked to a shelf and picked up a black zip-up hoodie. "That's very you. Want to try it on?"
Let's do it.
He disappeared into the fitting room, then came out with a big grin.
I love it. It's soft and it fits just right.
"Then get it."
I'll take this, please.
Sure. Would you like to sign up for our store membership for discounts?
No, thanks. Just this today.
He paid with his card, took the receipt, and they walked out, both carrying small bags. Scene 4. Exploring the mall. They strolled through the mall, stopping now and then to admire the window displays. "There's a bookstore upstairs. Want to check it out?"
Yes, but first I need an ATM. I want some cash for lunch.
"Excuse me, is there an ATM nearby?"
Yes, just past the shoe store on the left.
"Thank you." After Leo got his cash, they went upstairs. The bookstore was cozy, filled with the scent of paper and coffee from the tiny cafe in the corner.
I could spend hours here.
"Me too." They browsed silently for a while. Emily picked up a travel magazine. "I've been dreaming about Japan lately."
That's your next trip then?
She nodded. "Someday." Scene 5. The food court. By 1 p.m., their stomachs were growling.
Time for that cinnamon roll?
Absolutely! They found the food court bustling with people. The smell of fried chicken, noodles, and sweet desserts filled the air. They joined the line at Emily's favorite bakery.
What would you like to order?
1 cinnamon roll and a small iced coffee, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you. Leo got a spicy chicken sandwich and a soda from a different stall. They sat at a window seat and unwrapped their food. This is my favorite part of mall trips.
Mine too. Good food and people watching.
And no pressure, just relaxing. Scene 6. A small problem. As they were finishing lunch, Emily's phone buzzed again. Oh no.
What happened?
I just remembered I was supposed to return that jacket I bought last week. Today's the last day for returns.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, but I left the jacket in my backpack at the locker. They rushed to the lockers near the cinema, got the jacket, and headed back to the store. Hi, I'd like to return this, please.
Sure. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Any reason for the return?
It's a bit too tight. I found something else today that fits better.
No problem. We'll process your return now.
A few moments later, the refund was complete. Whew, that was close. Scene 7. Saying goodbye. They walked out of the store and back toward the entrance.
This was a good day.
Agreed. I practiced English, got new clothes, and had my cinnamon roll.
And handled a return, asked for directions, and asked about sizes. That's a full English workout.
It didn't even feel like studying. They stood near the bus stop.
Let's do this again sometime.
For sure. Next time, maybe a movie too?
Deal.
Emily's thoughts later that night. Back at home, Emily sat on her bed, tired but satisfied. She looked at her receipt, the tags on her new jeans, and the photo Leo had taken of her holding the cinnamon roll. I didn't just shop today, she whispered. I lived in English. She opened her journal and started writing down all the phrases she used at the mall. Can I help you? I'm just looking. Do you have this in a smaller size? Can I try this on? How much is this? Cash or card? Do you need a bag? Where is the restroom? Is there an ATM nearby? I'd like to return this. What do you think of this? Is this on sale? As she wrote, she smiled. Tomorrow would be another day, another chance to learn, speak, and live her English journey one step at a time. And that's the end of Emily and Leo's day at the mall. Did you notice how many useful English phrases they used without ever sitting in a classroom? That's the power of learning through real stories. You don't just study English, you live it. If you enjoyed this story and want more episodes like it, leave a comment below. Tell us, what was your favorite phrase today? Or what do you usually say when you go shopping in English? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's learning too. Until next time, keep listening, keep smiling, and keep living your English. See you in the next story.